Welcome back for a quick little video of just something that I've been wanting to get for the Mustang for a while that I just finally decided to pull the trigger on after I was over at Old Boston last weekend and I got talked into doing a couple burnouts and the car just wasn't having it. So I got one part on the way to hopefully kind of help with that. I got stuck in first for a little bit, or for like a couple seconds there. But then it finally came out of gear. Just check it out. Also check out a couple of the air burnouts too. It was a pretty fun time. It's always a good time hanging out with those guys. They're all super cool, really down to earth people. They're just in it for all the same reasons. And that's just to do burnouts, race, and have fun with cars. So here's those clips.
Burnout. Oh, well, you got my wife. Oh no.
Too much tread up there.
He's got too good of tires. I can't believe that you're riding a Mustang with another man. Oh, and happy too. You're in so much trouble when we get home.
The way she said it.
Hey Xander, yeah, stay up there and out of that rubber.
See, I was having a heck of a time, and part of it's just because the tires were sticking to all the rubber that's down already, and the brakes just weren't holding. I couldn't stand on, like I was fully standing on them pretty much, and the back was still kicking and spinning. It just wasn't enough to keep it still. I mean, I've done it before, and it's been fine, but anyways, I finally pulled the trigger on a Panhard bar. So, as you can see, I've already got it all out. It's getting kind of late. This thing is pretty nasty. Anyways, this thing's real rusty and just overall not nice. It's not something I would want on my car for suspension. And when you lower these cars as much as this, I got bugs on me. When you lower a car as much as this one, it's lowered already on the iBox Sport lines, it pushes the axle over to the left a little bit. So this is to kind of bring it back centered and more the correct geometry. Anyways, I already put it on. But I'll show you. Here's a comparison between the new one and the old one. And as you can see, it's just not as good looking as the BMR one. Everybody recommends this one. I actually do not have any grease to put on this, which I actually really need. So tonight, I'm going to drive it home, and I'm going to drive it back over here with some actual grease, and I'll put some grease in it. But you can see you got your grease fitting there, and you got another one right there. Now, you really need to pry this piece of metal. A lot of people say you have to shave the bushings. You really don't. You just got to pry the metal back to its normal shape, because when you torque down the bolts that are on here, it'll bend the metal up against the bushing and keep it in place. This is your little adjustment screw. You back off the locking nuts, and then you just kind of adjust it to the left and right, whichever way you need to do it. Now you're supposed to use a level and a tape measure. I kind of did that and tried my best, but I just kind of eyeballed it for now until I get it down on the road and can actually get a feel for it, see how it looks and everything. But I mean, here's this side, and then passenger side. It seems relatively close. Maybe. So yeah, I think it's about right now. We'll see what it looks like when I get down on the ground and go from there. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Like always, I'll put a link down in the description below to everything I've used in the video. Things have just been a little busy here lately, and with all the coronavirus stuff, and I just haven't really made that many videos or filmed that many videos. Also, these bugs are awful. These are all bugs, it's not dirt. You can probably see they're like flying by me. The way that light's flickering on camera, it makes it look like one of those like haunted house things that you go through. Here's Lucy. I'll let you know how this works out. I still need to make a video on my courses too. I just haven't been feeling it lately. It's been exhausting. Work has been absolutely insane, and then everything else going on in life has just been kind of hectic, so haven't gotten much done that as far as YouTube goes. And I still need to make a video on that truck and maybe that truck. Anyways, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below and drop a like, please. It helps these videos out and helps them get out there a little bit better, which is what I really want to do. If I can find a way to make this profitable to the point that I can justify doing it more often, I would love to. It's always been kind of a passion of mine to do stuff with cars and film it. And I'd love to be able to share my experiences like I have been with you guys more frequently. So, like I said, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and drop a like, comment. Let me know what you think. Any kind of tips or tricks as far as aligning this Panhard bar goes. It's all extremely appreciated. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys are having a good day and staying safe. See you in the next one.
We should make a thing where filming this live. I just like talk the whole time with the camera.
You're